Hi, my name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz. I am 31 years old and I am a student at the UNAT. This presentation is from the Language for and Function course. Today I want to talk about the processes of word formation, in particular the blends. The blends, also called formatting words, and sometimes amalgams, combination word, telescope word, and other names, are new words coined by merging part of existing words. Two free words are combined and blended, usually by clipping of the end of the first word and the beginning of the second word. I want to show some examples. In this word smoke, we take the first part, and in this other word fog, we take the end to form a word smoke. And this word motor and this word cavalcade, we take the end to form a word motorcade. We can also form new words using back formation. Speaker derives a morphologically simple word from which they analyze on the basis the derivational and inflectional partners existing in English as a morphologically complex word. For example, the verb sing is added er. There was listen now, singer, and the verb work is added er. There was listen now, work. Here we have another blend. Okay, I want to talk about more examples of blends using clipping. Clipping is the result of deliberately swapping part of a word, usually either the end or the beginning, or less often both, while retaining the same meaning and same word class. For example, mic, microphone, tarp, tarpaulin, fan, fanatic. The question is, why are blends so important? I can form new words, and from the beginning it has been related with has enriched our language. Thank you. I hope you have liked my presentation. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.